Hi YouTube, here is Danny, and this is my 30 years old Shimano 105 road hub. With the Freehub I wanted to remove in order to make a video about renovation, but this is very difficult. I've made already one video showing you, explaining how to remove the Freehub by using the Allen key. In that case it was Shimano Diore with through axle hub, so the Allen key was 15 millimeters. This one is 10 millimeters, but that was the whole wheel. So when you have a whole wheel, you can keep it against the wall. It's easier. The link to the video is in the description. This is one level higher. So what I did first, I put some oil here, some lube. I was spinning a little bit with the Freehub, a little bit loop, spinning, a little bit loop, spinning, until a little bit of loop went down this way, here on the flange of the hub. Then clean it. You don't want to have mess around here. And then take an old braking cable, old one, because you're going to destroy it. It won't be good for any usage as a braking cable in the future. And then simply thread this one through two flanges, so just two spoke holes, because what we need to do, we need to stabilize the hub. It won't be difficult, it won't be possible for you, I'm sorry, to keep it like this in your hand and then unscrew it, because this one might be pretty tight, because we are screwing this one in while pedaling, and if the hub is 30 years old, believe me, you're gonna need some extension even. But this was the first step, and then I just took two wooden pieces like this one. At least one might be like twice thicker, 2 times thicker, so that the flange of the hub will be better to stop against it. But it was, I did it with this one, and then just wrap this one around your wood. It might also be something else if you have any ideas, but this is what I found in my studio, which is not a real workshop here. I'm doing here everything like the vlogs and filming and so just wrap this around. Try to have it as tight as possible, so don't leave such pieces of cable, because you're going to need to tighten everything anyway, otherwise it won't be stable thing. So just try to tighten this one. You'll see just in a second how I did it, because I was able to record it when I did it actually, because this is already done. But anyway, just work your way around, and okay, so this should be tighter, okay? This should be tighter, this one here. What I did next, this is okay, this is fine, because I wrapped it 4 times around this wood piece. The next one, I'm not going to put it parallel to the first one, but at 90 degrees angle, and then with my knee I'm just pushing this one against the flanges of the hub. My first impression was this isn't tight enough, because when you start spinning or unscrewing, all those cables will start tightening. So just tighten the cables, keep the hub. Tighten the cables, keep the hub, and then finally you need to do it with really nice force. So not upwards, but rather downwards. So nice. If you don't have enough power in your palms, just use some kind of extension. You can use an old seat post, just some type of, as you can see, of pipe. This one is wrapped with with the bar tape, and then put it into your Allen key, of course without such handle, and then you can do it. I did it just like that, and then strong and quick fast moves, it will loosen, and then you are a happy man or happy woman. If you have any other problems with removing something from your bike, let me know in the comments. I will find a solution. And now I'm going to continue recording my renovation of the Shimano 105 vintage group sets. Did you like it?